Did you understand you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram? That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We would just pray that the court follow the plea agreement.
All right. Ms. Hernandez, when's the last time you were employed?
Like 4 months ago.
Doing what?
My dad has he owns a lawn care.
All right. What's the name of this person you were with?
Like working.
No,
Jack
in the police
Hernandez.
report.
Oh, some homeless guy that I was out there with.
Thank you. All right. We're back on the record.
It was just some random guy. I was homeless at the time. It was just some guy up the street. User.
Okay. Do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am.
How old are they?
I have a 17-year-old, a set of twins that are 14, and a 13-year-old.
And where are they?
They've been adopted. They've been out of my life for, well, I'm gonna say pretty much all my life.
Okay. How often were you using?
I was using for at least 10 years.
Okay.
I've been clean for almost a year already. I was using heroin.
Well, it can't be almost a year because we're still in 20.
Barely going off like.
All right, because we're still in 2023. Am I right in that?
Yes, Your Honor.
And this offense was April 3rd, 2023. So you haven't been clean for a year.
That's going to, it's going on a year, right? I mean, a couple months, I guess.
Okay. All right. This is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to a $200 fine that'll be probated. I'm going to want a TAP evaluation. Probation, is there anything else she needs?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Judge, she has a job, I believe, outside. But the real question is just, do we know about how long the TAP evaluations are taking right about now?
Probation, how long is TAP? 2 weeks.
Would the court consider? Well, I don't know. Would you like to explain to the court why you feel like you need to be?
Honestly, because me being sober living and my dad being back in my life, he's helping me get back into church, and I wanted to be a part of this ritual, this what is it called? It's like a woman barrier, and I wanted to go on this retreat so I can cleanse myself and actually.
Okay, let me ask you this. This retreat, does that retreat happen every year?
No, it's just like one time. It's just one time. Like I
Like they only have it one time forever?
No, ma'am, but honestly, this is what I signed up for. So I've been living with this lady and I told her I honestly would be there for her. Like, and she's.
All right,
my
so
support. I'm not.
here's
lying.
the thing. I've read the police report.
Yes, ma'am.
There's heroin and everything else going on with you.
Yes, ma'am.
So no, the answer is going to be no from the court. You're going to do a TAP evaluation in custody. And if they recommend inpatient treatment, you're going into inpatient treatment. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Have you been to prison before?
Yes, ma'am.
For what?
For intent to deliver.
All right. And so felony drug court is not going to accept her. So we can take felony drug court off the list and do a gang evaluation. What is the tattoo on your chest about?
Jesse. It's my ex-boyfriend. He passed away. I put his name. It's Jesse. That's it.
Okay. We're going to do a gang evaluation and we're going to remove felony drug court because with the intent to deliver, felony drug court is not going to accept her. You understand? Okay. Here's the thing. You have a drug problem. That's why we're here.
I understand, ma'am.
And you've been to prison before. And so you still haven't gotten your life together. State has offered you deferred.
Trying.
People want
I'm trying right now.
to write their own program. guess what? If you could write your own program, we wouldn't even be here because you would have written your program and you would have been successful and you wouldn't have been with some random guy that you don't know and y'all using random drugs.
That was the first case now.
Showing you that's what's in the police report for this case. Showing you what's entitled trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yeah.
So just having like appeal form, so she
Yes.
follows up the agreement.
All right. So here's the thing. I don't understand why I'm getting pushback in the attitude. Here's the thing. If you want to, you can withdraw your plea. In exchange, I will send you to the state jail facility. You can do your time, you can get out, and you can again try to write your own program. You understand? All right, so the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it? All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you. Okay. All right, we're back on the record. State.
Violating condition number 4 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Ashley Marie Hernandez, the then and there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of January and February of 2024 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true? Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, it's proposed agreement is revocation and 4 years TBC.
Is that the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Okay.
All right. Probation on Miss Hernandez. What is probation's recommendation?
Or amend or state ISF.
All right. All right. You're asking that I sentence you to the 4 years? Do you have children or no?
I do, but I have no good. I haven't had custody of them in so long.
All right. How old are they now?
My twins are 14 and the baby's 13, and I have an 18-year-old.
All right. The court will grant the motion. The court will find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 4 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Would you like to be referred to the therapeutic community? It doesn't increase the time that you're in custody. It's just to help you with any drug issues that you may have. All right. And I'll request the therapeutic community. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing from either side?
No, Judge, just, she has 104 days as of today.
All right. Did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it? Right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. Obviously, you have a drug issue. So when you go to the jail and then go to the prison, don't become institutionalized. When you get out, you need to make sure that you go to an AA meeting or an NA meeting. They have plenty of places that are free. If you can't find a free place, you can always come back here and I will direct you to a free place, okay?
Thank you.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.